Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and it's Rush from more reviews. Yes, you're correct. We are on the ferry. What we're doing is taking a drive from Ferry to the entrance of the Caymanas leg of the North-South Highway. Just driving up on the bridge to show you guys what's happening. Also wanted to give you guys an update on the new Fesco headquarters, the Fesco gas station and ferry, just to see the progress of the work. So if you're new to the channel, first of all, if you see that subscribe button red, please click the subscribe button, turn it gray, and join the Raymore Reviews family. Subscribing is completely free. Here we have a nice view of the completed ferry. So I drove up on the bridge to show you guys a good view, and then we'll stop by the Fesco gas station. Remember to leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this roadway, this Fesco development, and also definitely share the video and like the video as well. And if you're thinking about donating to the channel, just to support the channel in whatever way you can, and to eventually help to go towards the purchase of a drone, that will be highly appreciated as well. So this is the new Fesco headquarters and gas station. There's no other gas station in this vicinity. The closest one would be in Spanish Town and in probably Duane Park. So this is what's happening. So I'm gonna go outside and give you guys a quick look around the area so you guys see the progress of the work. It's been developed by the Fesco group of companies, which Trevor Evans is one of the chairman. So this is their headquarter along with one of their outlets. So I think a gas station is well needed here in the vicinity of Idle, in the vicinity of the Ferry police station. So let's go outside, let's take a look to see the progress of the work. They have a very good design. So let's take a look. Alright, so new Fesco headquarters and gas station. Very unique design. Leave your comments, guys. Let me know what you think about this location for a gas station and the whole Fesco group of company. I think they're also thinking about doing an IPO eventually. It's a Jamaican owned company. So we are on the ferry, recently completed. It's a bit overcast. Alright guys, there you have it. The new Fesco gas station coming. New headquarters as well for the Fesco gas retailers group. So it's on Ferry. There's still a lot of land space on Ferry, so it's a nice bit of land that they got. So they have space to do their development. So I just wanted to show you guys the progress on that development. And then what we're doing as well is a drive now from Ferry to the entrance of the North-South Highway. That's the Caymanas entrance. So drive along. And again, leave your comments both on the gas station development, both on Ferry roadway. So far the road is holding up, very well needed road expansion to help with traffic, Spanish Town traffic, Portmore traffic, and so far it's doing good. Leave your comments, remember to like, share, subscribe if you're new as well, and again, feel free to donate to the channel if you choose. We have PayPal and other options. Alright guys, welcome to the North-South Highway. This is the entrance. So you take your ticket here, and then when you're exiting, it will calculate the cost.